Session just opened. What's good, guys? Pretty much we got some consideration. Not the greatest session opening because there's not much going on, right? But we actually did though manage to take some lows from here from the 5 minutes. Nothing crazy though. Now we're pushing up. Most likely gonna take this high right here and then might see a reversal if there's enough liquidity. Now, guys, I'm just gonna be honest. This is liquidity, but we don't need liquidity to enter the markets, right? All we need is the reaction. If it gives us the reaction to the downside, then I'm going to short the markets. But if it just continues respecting this uptrend, I'm going to buy the markets, right? All right, guys. If this breaks structure, I'm going to buy the markets on the money, on the market. Is that a BOS? Is that a closure? Not quite. I mean, let me see. Yeah, I mean, that's barely. And I don't want to take no barely shots. You know what? It broke structure here. Fuck it, guys. Just bought the markets on NASDAQ. Currently in a crazy winning streak. I didn't reach that crazy, but I don't really care that much. Like, I'm not going to reach anything crazy, but like, I have a huge cushion right here. Yeah, we just took out more highs, by the way. Okay, I kind of regret buying the markets, bro. I kind of freaking regret buying that shit. I didn't realize that we were this close or this close to this liquidity. That's 100% my fault. Fuck. Okay, you know what? I already bought the markets. Let's just fucking continue. But if I could choose again, I would not take this. All right. Yeah, bro. That's... Should have marked it out. Should have marked that out. The liquidity was just there. Yeah. Guys, I'm out. Wow. Wow, that's crazy. I actually kind of regret that trade, bro. Like, if you guys saw what happened, that's 100% my fault. Wow, that's a clear liquidity sweep that got respected, and I forgot to mark it out. Winning streak is over, guys. Yeah, regardless, this might give us the MSS, might actually buy the markets. I mean, short the markets from here if it actually gives us a solid MSS. Psst, bam. Yeah, one BOS after that. After the liquidity, if we get a second one, I'm going to short the markets, guys. Guys, the game is now over. Winning streak is over. Winning streak is freaking over. But never lose hope. Never like get down over because of one loss, guys. Never ever. So let's see. If we get this MSS, I'm going to short the markets. We got this pretty solid looking ass. What is this? Fair value gap right here. Respected. This is actually looking pretty damn solid, guys. This is like, I want you to really learn from this one, from my mistakes. I don't normally do this kind of mistakes, but this is like, gotta mark the shit out. Gotta mark the liquidity out before, okay? Because otherwise it's gonna kick you in the ass like it did for me. But yeah, I'm gonna update you guys with this one. All right, I'm gonna short the markets if this closes below the low. I just short the markets on NASDAQ. I'm looking for the price to go down. Got this MSS right here. I'm gonna put the stop loss above this order block right here. Kind of unfortunate. Yeah, I'm out, guys. I'm gonna respectfully take that. Yeah, that's kind of unfortunate, bro. Like this, the first L was understandable. That was a huge ass mistake, but the second one, this time the market got me, bro. I'm gonna be humble as fuck today. Now fuck this shit. I'm actually like, the month is still doing great. The week is still doing great. And guess what? My clan, I mean my at least my base isn't rushed. You guys see that? Yeah. But yeah, I'm out from the markets. Let me show you the PNL. Yeah, bro, as you can see, I got actually quite freaking kicked in the nuts today. 2.5, almost 2.5k loss today. But you know, guys, I'm gonna take that 100%. The winning streak had to be done. It just had to be done. It was starting to look super like it was starting to look crazy. Okay, but regardless, man, if you want my free course, then click the first link in the description. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out.